In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Ads language settings. If you want your Google Ads interface to appear in a different language, or you'd like dates, times, and numbers to match your regional format, this quick walkthrough will help you get it done confidently. This change is purely about how you see the platform. It doesn't alter your campaign targeting or the languages of your ads. Think of it as customizing the dashboard to be more comfortable and familiar for you. Start by going to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one, and allow a moment for the dashboard to load fully. It's best to do this on a desktop browser so you can easily find the menus. Next, click on Admin. Depending on your screen size, Admin may appear in the left-hand navigation or near the top. Look for the section that hosts account-level settings. If you don't see it right away, try expanding your browser window or scrolling the sidebar. Inside Admin, click Preferences. This is where Google Ads stores user-level settings that control how the interface behaves for you. Preferences won't change your bids, budgets, or campaign settings, so it's a safe place to make non-disruptive adjustments. Now, find Display Language and Number Format and click it. This area controls two key things. First, the display language determines the language used across menus, buttons, and help text. Second, the number format governs how your account shows decimals, thousands separators, dates, and times. For example, you might prefer a comma or a dot as a decimal separator, or a day, month, year, date format instead of month, day, year. Select your preferred language from the list. Choose the language you're most comfortable working in every day, especially if you review metrics frequently or share your screen with teammates. If you're switching languages, give yourself a moment to get used to where familiar controls move in translated menus. Once you've made your selection, click Save. This is crucial. Changes won't take effect until you save. After saving, the interface may refresh, and you should see your new language and number format applied right away. If the change doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing your browser tab or signing out and back in. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you work in a global team, aligning number formats can reduce confusion when reviewing reports. Also, remember that this setting is user-specific. Others in the same account won't be affected unless they update their own preferences. And if you ever want to switch back, just revisit the same preferences area and update the setting again. That's it, simple, fast, and tailored to you.